This is a 2020 Bayliner VR4 Bowrider. Comes with a single axle bunk trailer with a swing tongue. This is an 18-foot Bowrider. Comes with cover, bimini. Has a large swim platform off the stern. Merc Cruiser Alpha 1. Rear ladder. Now inside the cockpit of the Bayliner. Stepping up to the helm, all your gauges, switches, kicker, Bluetooth stereo. It's 18-foot boat, is rated for 7 people. Bolster captain chair. Glove box on the passenger side. Reclining seating can be changed into a full sun pad. Ski locker. Storage. Large bow. That beam moved forward, a lot more room for passengers. 2 more speakers in the bow. USB chargers. Cup holders everywhere. This is the 18-foot Bayliner VR4 with a 200 horsepower Mercury 4.5 liter.